there's so many like one-shot training programs that, kind of evaporate after a few weeks. Whereas this is something that's, I think, a bit more ongoing, and it helps. I brought my sales manager with me as well, and chatting with him afterwards, it's like, oh, this is great, because it gives us, a formula to keep our people sharp. And, we always say, okay, make your calls, but now there's sort of a formula to practice that and actually execute those calls better, rather than the guys walking away and just clicking off on CRM that they've done their follow-ups. So anyone that's training people that are on the phones, people that are training your salespeople, because our managers, they're great at managing the sale. They've just never really been taught on how to train, and I think anyone that you have an expectation to train a sales team, they're going to benefit from this program. Yeah, overall, I think there's going to be tangible a return on this investment that we made to come down. Like I say, myself and my sales manager came in for this program, and when we look at training, it can be expensive, but when I think about the opportunities that are in my store and in my business, it would be very easy for us to find a return on the investment that we did today. So I think it was time and money well spent to come down, and say you'll see more people from my auto group here in the future for sure. So I think there's value here.